What are the key lessons for how to use AI and how not to use it for these types of work?
Yeah, I'll give you the shortest version, which I think cuts across all of these, is that AI for leaders is ultimately a test. How good are you at decomposing problems? AI is very good at solving a problem, but it will simplify the problem space if you don't properly decompose it. And so I would think about AI as, we all know one shot is not the answer in most cases. I think as a leader, not one-shotting something means not just, iterating with it, but being very deliberate about decomposing a kind of a nasty problem into its pieces and then saying, okay, the right series of transformations to do, starting with this. If we want to get here, how do we decompose this problem right to left? That's, my brain works left to right, or the other way. How do we decompose this into a series of transformations that I'm confident you're going to be good at, performing each of those transformations? And then we're going to get to where we need to get to. I think where we fail is when we flatten problem spaces and we oversimplify, and then it's just, well, clearly this solution is this, right?
I'm notoriously bad at my inboxes. I guess there's a version of that where I seem cool and unavailable, but the reality is I miss sponsor emails, guest pitches, and stuff that my team actually needs me for. So I got an AI assistant. The sponsor of today's episode, Ariso. Ariso connects to my email, calendar, and Slack. Then I just chat with it over Slack, and it helps me with everything. It builds workflows to respond to emails, resolve customer issues, prep me for meetings. It actually comes to my meetings, updates its own knowledge, and remembers context from past conversations. So every time I talk to it, it already knows what I'm working on. I used to pay for granola and Lindy separately. Ariso replaced both. One tool does more, and it lives right in Slack priority work. Check it out at ariso.ai/Akash. That's ariso.ai/AAKASH.
I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.